Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the official ChatGPT app error having in servers. So let's get started. So ChatGPT app is currently facing problem. Okay. So if you open the ChatGPT, it does not work every time because of the server load they are having in their servers. Many of the users are like using in one time, so they having server issue. If you want to fix that, you can click on here at get plus option, and here you can just get their subscription, and they will get you in high priority and you will be fixed. So by this way you can just not got this problem if you buy a premium. And this is how to fix that, and this is happens. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.